Hello. Today I will show you how to manage Canvas settings and text for Voucher template. First, go to the WooCommerce dashboard and then open the Voucher Creator plugin. Click on Create New Template. You will be redirected to a new page. Starting with the Canvas settings, the default canvas size is 720 by 500. You can edit the width and height and see the immediate impact on the canvas size. You can also use the increase and decrease icons to resize the canvas. Next is inserting text into the canvas. The default text is some text here. When you click on it, a text field opens where you can edit the text. Clicking on Color Palette allows you to edit the color of your choice. You can apply basic formatting such as bold the text to make it prominent, change text font and size, drag it to make it center aligned. You can also make the text italic and adjust text alignment. There is a copy icon that allows copying the entire text. Thank you for your time.